Exercising with accountability partners or workout buddies can be a great way to stay motivated and consistent with your fitness goals. Here are some tips to make the most out of your workout partnership. Set clear goals. Discuss your individual fitness goals with your accountability partner and collectively determine your shared objectives. Establishing specific and measurable goals will help both of you stay focused and track your progress. Define a schedule. Plan your workout sessions in advance and set a fixed schedule that works for both of you. Consistency is key, so commit to regular workout days and times that are convenient for both parties. Communication is key. Establish open and honest communication with your workout partner. Share your challenges, successes, and any changes in your routine. Regularly check in with each other to provide encouragement and support. Create a shared workout plan. Develop a workout plan together that suits both of your fitness levels and preferences. Consider alternating between activities you both enjoy, and incorporate variety to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Be reliable and punctual. Show up on time for your scheduled workouts and be reliable. Your partner is counting on you, and your commitment will inspire them to do the same. If you need to reschedule, communicate promptly and find an alternative time that works for both of you. Track progress together. Keep track of your workouts and progress collectively. Celebrate milestones and achievements together, and provide constructive feedback to help each other improve. Set challenges and rewards. Keep your workouts exciting by setting occasional challenges or mini competitions. Provide motivation and support. Encourage each other during workouts and offer positive reinforcement. Be a source of motivation on days when one of you might be feeling demotivated or low on energy. Have fun and enjoy the journey. Remember that working out with a partner is about more than just achieving fitness goals. Enjoy the camaraderie, make the most of your time together, and have fun while exercising. A positive and enjoyable experience will make you look forward to your workouts and strengthen your bond. By implementing these tips, you and your workout buddy can create a supportive and motivating environment that will help both of you stay on track and achieve your fitness goals.